Okay, today on MyMathCoach, we're going to talk about solving multi-step equations. And I have the steps to solving those written on the board and also a question. So the question that we're going to solve is 2x plus 7 plus 8x equals 9x plus 2 minus 4x plus 25. Now, this is a multi-step equation because the first step in solving this would be to, number one, combine the like terms that are on the same side of the equation. So the like terms would be anything that has the same variable. For example, 2x and 8x would be like terms. Now we will combine these together. 2x plus 8x gives you 10x, and that's what we would put here. Now I've had some students that want to add in the 9x and the minus 4x, or you can also say negative 4x. They want to add all that together. They all have an x, so they all must be like terms. So it's very important that you see that you only combine the like terms when they're on the same side of the equal sign. So we'll split the equation into two sides, and you'll see that the only x's I have on the left side will be the 2x and the 10x. So the 2x and the 8x. So we combine those to get the 10x. There's nothing to combine the 7 with, so I'll just have to bring it down. Now you can tell me why I'm not able to combine the 7 with the 2 of the 25. If you paid attention to what I just said, you should know that. So on this side, there's nothing else we can combine. We can't add these together because they're unlike terms. This one has an x, this one does not, so you have to leave them like this. Now on this side, what are the like terms we have with the x's? We have a 9x and we have a minus 4x, so you can also call this a negative 4x. And when you combine those, 9 minus 4 is going to give you 5x. And then with the numbers, we have 2 and 25. 2 plus 25 is 27. Nothing else we can combine. Okay, so we've done the combining steps on both sides. So we go to step number 2, which is cancel the smallest variable on the opposite side. So when you look at the two sides of your equation, you got variables on this side, which would be a 10x, and you have a variable on this side, which is 5x. Now which one is smallest? That's an easy question. The 5x, right? So this is the one that we want to cancel out. And the way I like to cancel is to just think about, if I have a positive 5x, what will cancel out a positive 5x? Right, a negative 5x. So if you put that here, but you have to do it on both sides. So in this one, you also put a negative 5x. Now we already just said that this is going to cancel, so it basically just goes away. But what happens here? We have a 10x and a negative 5x, which is exactly like 10x minus 5x, which is, of course, 5x. Nothing we can do with a 7, so we just bring it down. Bring down your equal sign, bring down this 27. Now, the third step is to cancel the number that's with the variable. A lot of times students make the mistake of trying to cancel out this 27 with a negative 27. But what will happen is you have a problem because you have to think of equations like a scale. They're balanced. I don't know if you can see both of my hands, but when you have a scale, it's a balancing act. And so if you take everything off of one side of a scale, what happens? That side will go up, the thing will fall over, land on your toe and break it. So to prevent having a broken toe, what you want to do is take out the number that's on this side. Because if you take out this 7, you still have the 5x to hold down this side of the scale. So to cancel out the 7, we need a negative 7. And on this side, we also need a negative 7. And so we go bring down the 5x. That cancels. 27 minus 7 is 20. Okay? The very last step is to divide by the coefficient. Now the coefficient is a fancy word for the number that's in front of the variable. In this case, it's 5. So we divide this side by 5, and we divide this side by 5. And we end up here with x equals 20 divided by 5, which is 4. And that's the correct answer, and that's how you solve multi-step equations. Once again, the steps are combine like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign, cancel the smallest variable on opposite sides, cancel the number that's with the variable, and then divide by the coefficient. Okay, so solving multi-step equations with MyMathCoach. If you want to check out more videos to help you with other types of math problems, just look for more videos on YouTube, search for MyMathCoach, or you can go to the Facebook page, facebook.com/MyMathCoach. Thanks for watching.